Hello everyone, this is Juliet Babas. I joined MMM last July of this year, 2015. From then on, I appreciated what MMM offers to all its participants because MMM is a community of people helping people. It's not just that your money in your Mavro grows, but there are still other ways of MMM to help people, like conducting charity events that the managers, all the guiders are entitled with and enjoying it. This motivates me to undergo this MMM Philippines Guider School. During my guiders schooling sessions, I enjoyed much those sleepless nights listening to all the reactions, inquisitive conversations, and sometimes talking things about anything under the sun for all our just for fun group chats. But above all, this schooling is indeed a very helpful avenue for aspiring guiders. This is very enlightening and empowering. As well as I was fully abreast with all the necessary information. I was also technically equipped and it strengthened my knowledge about our system. It's a wonderful experience. I want to take also this opportunity to thank and acknowledge the help of all my group mates, Batch 7 Group 1, and to all my batch mates. A special thank to our mentor, Sir Lee, and most of all to our founder, Sir Sergi Magrodi, for this kind of schooling. Looking forward that I can also enjoy being a guider very soon. Batch 7, see you on top. Together we will change the world. God bless us all.